When you think of jobs and careers in aviation, what are the first things that come to mind? Pilots, flight attendants, air traffic controllers? These roles are the backbone of air travel, but the industry is full of other fascinating, lesser-known jobs that keep everything running smoothly. Today, we're exploring some of the most unusual aviation jobs you've probably never heard of. There's more to aviation than just flying aircraft. Behind the scenes, a unique cast of professionals works tirelessly, often in specialized roles that don't make the headlines. From those who keep birds away from runways to engineers ensuring planes are ready for extreme weather, let's take a closer look at these unsung heroes of the skies. 1. Bird Strike Prevention Officer. First on our list is a job you might not have considered. Bird Strike Prevention Officer. Birds pose a significant risk to aircraft, especially during takeoff and landing. A bird strike on the nose or leading edge of the wing can be alarming and cause some damage, particularly in smaller aircraft. But when one or more birds strike the intake of a jet engine, then there may be a serious problem. You may have seen footage of airliners taking off and having to land within minutes due to a bird strike during the initial phase of takeoff and the climb out. Bird strike prevention officers are responsible for keeping runways and surrounding areas bird-free. They employ a variety of techniques, from using bioacoustics and lasers to deter birds, to managing habitats around airports so they're less attractive to wildlife. These professionals often have backgrounds in biology or wildlife management, and their work is crucial in preventing potentially catastrophic incidents. 2. Aircraft de-icing specialist. In winter weather, aircraft need to be de-iced before they can safely take off. Ice can alter the aerodynamics of an aircraft, and even a thin layer can disrupt lift and increase drag, leading to anything from impaired performance to dangerous situations. De-icing specialists work in freezing conditions to apply de-icing fluid, usually a mix of heated glycol and water, to the aircraft's wings, tail, and fuselage. This role requires precision, as too much or too little fluid can affect the aircraft's performance. It's a vital job, especially in regions prone to severe winter weather, ensuring that flights can depart safely, even in the most challenging conditions. 3. Aviation Psychologist. Aviation psychologists might not be the first professionals you think of when it comes to aviation, but they play a vital role in ensuring the mental well-being of pilots, cabin crew, and other aviation staff. The stress and responsibility of flying can take a toll on mental health, and these psychologists are there to provide support, conduct assessments, and develop programs to maintain a healthy workplace. Their work is important for maintaining safety in the skies. By assessing a pilot's mental fitness, for example, aviation psychologists help prevent incidents caused by human factors such as fatigue, stress, or mental health issues. In a field where the margin for error is thin, their expertise helps keep both crew and passengers safe. 4. Aircraft Salvage Expert. When an aircraft is decommissioned, it doesn't just disappear. Aircraft salvage experts are responsible for dismantling old aircraft, often in environmentally friendly ways, and recovering valuable parts for reuse. This job requires a deep understanding of aircraft structures, as well as an eye for detail. Salvage experts also play a key role when an aircraft is involved in an accident. They are the ones who carefully dismantle and transport wreckage for investigation, preserving evidence while ensuring the safety of the investigation team. This job is as delicate as it is technical, combining engineering skills with a methodical approach to safety. 5. Aviation Meteorologist. Finally, let's delve into the world of aviation meteorologists. Weather plays a critical role in aviation, affecting everything from flight paths to airport operations. Aviation meteorologists provide pilots and flight planners with real-time weather data, forecasts, and warnings about severe conditions such as thunderstorms, turbulence, and wind shear. These meteorologists are different from your regular weather forecasters. They specialize in the impact of weather on aviation. Their work ensures that flights can navigate safely around hazardous conditions, avoiding delays and maintaining the safety of everyone on board. It's a role that entails a lot of responsibility. Accurate predictions are important in order to prevent disruptions to schedules and to ensure that aircraft stay safely on track. The aviation industry is more complex than it appears at first glance. These unusual jobs, while not as well known, are just as critical as the more visible roles in keeping our skies safe. Next time you board a plane, remember that it's not just the pilots and cabin crew who make your journey possible. It's also the bird strike prevention officers, de-icing specialists, aviation psychologists, salvage experts, and meteorologists working behind the scenes. So, what do you think? Are there any aviation jobs that caught you by surprise? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the lesser-known world of aviation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the world of travel.